Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Let's see Aries, how you're feeling now, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aries gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, welcome back. All my subscribers, thank you for being here again. And Aries, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aries, I'm setting down newbies. I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your mutual energies. Aries. And for the duration of the reading, Aries, this is going to be side A, this is going to be side B. If this is your story, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay, all right, and person A and person B. All right, Aries, still not talking to each other. It seems there's still silence between the two of you. Though I do see one person has kind of given up on this connection. They're kind of healing themselves and they don't have the strength to even think about person B or this connection anymore. Whereas the other person, they don't want to let go. They're thinking of devious ways, Aries. They're not being able to manifest this connection just by praying and wishing. I don't know what they're thinking, what they're up to. I'm going to figure it out in a second. So Aries, before we begin the reading, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start your reading. So Aries and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aries and their person. And Aries, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, let's take a few more Aries from another deck. Aries and their person spirit. Aries and their person. Aries and their person. One more, please. All right, Aries, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. Self-worth issues, Aries, somebody has. I've never experienced a love and a connection like this before. Please don't give up on me. Like I said, one person is giving up. The other person still holding on. And somebody in the Scorpio reading asked me that, we've walked away and why is this person still showing up in our readings? Because they are still attached. That energy, that soul, there is a soul contract, good, bad, ugly, I don't know. But the soul contract will only end if both parties, energetically let go of each other. So even though one person has healed and is no longer looking at person B is still saying, please don't give up on me. I know that I have narcissistic tendencies, but I'm not one. I developed these traits to protect myself. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. Like we saw, somebody has some big ego and pride issues, right, in the past readings. So this person is saying, whoever this you or your person, I don't know, is saying that'll be really hard for me to now come down from my high horse and say, hey, actually, I do need you. I got a whiff of your scent and it made me smile, remembering you. I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. I bury you with lies. I'm scared to tell you the truth. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. So, Aries, these were some of your messages. If these are resonating, let's start with your reading. And let's start with our angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you today, Aries. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Peaceful. Somebody wants to bring peace to this connection, Aries. I don't know. Maybe one person is already at peace and the other person wants to bring peace in the connection, one way or the other. This is for my Aries, I think. This because my intention was for a blessing for my Aries. Aries, peace is with you. My angels are gifting you peace, whatever you decide to do. Okay. So let's put this here and let's start your reading. So, Spirit-wise, person A in the Three of Swords in reverse energy and the Strength card in reverse energy. Three of Swords in reverse. Somebody decided, I am not going to fight for this connection anymore. I'm tired of fighting for this connection. I've tried and tried and tried, and it really, we can't seem to work out our differences, right? Like, as the card said, I haven't been emotionally happy ever with this person. And yes, I'm making a decision for myself now. I'm not waiting around for anyone else to decide my fate. I'm going to decide my fate for myself, and I am on the road to healing myself now. What's the Strength card, Spirit? Strength card. What's the Strength card? Yes, this Queen of Cups has been drained out completely. Saying, hey, only one person's been giving to the connection and my cup is all drained out now. I refuse to put in any more work. I was as strong as I could be, but now I've lost my will. I've lost my will. I just don't have the strength now to keep fighting for this connection. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Five of Swords and the Eight of Cups. There could have been a power struggle here, Aries. There was a sort of a return, maybe. Yes, maybe somebody tried to return or start something with their person. Maybe have this equal give and take, saying, hey, let's be partners, or let's have this beautiful dynamic between us. I feel a soul connection to you. But the other person, I think, blocked them. They blocked them. There were these power struggles where one person may have said, hey, now that you've come to me, then I'm on my high horse, so it's my way or the highway. And this kind of behavior, I think, put person A off completely. They said, hey, listen, this doesn't work. If this is the way you're going to treat me, then I don't want to have a fresh new beginning with you. Am I right, Spirit? Sorry, too many cards. Okay. Oops. All right. Yeah, this kind of broke. Whatever bad behavior happened here, Aries, there could have been a fight, there could have been a power struggle, some harsh words could have been exchanged. All this led to a lot of heartbreak. And I think now person A is now drained out and is no longer interested in even fighting for this connection. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Or this person? Emperor in reverse and the Page of Pentacles in reverse. They feel my person is a false emperor. This is not the kind of person, who takes charge and who does the right thing. They are very dictatorial. They are too bossy for me. They've created too much of delay now and I'm tired. I can't wait any longer. I think it's best to end this connection. That's what person A is saying. One more card, Spirit, for the Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse. Yes, maybe this Emperor was not interested in commitment. There was this Emperor could have been a bit controlling about how this connection would go, how this relationship would go, caused too much of delay, didn't commit, and yes, things just went south after that. They just went a wrong direction. Too much conflict here. Page of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Page of Pentacles in reverse. So person A feels, what's the point? Each time I've tried to, kind of make up with them, it's always backfired on me. What's the point? They lie, they cheat, they sneak away, and this connection always seems to backfire on me, and I become the loser. I always feel like this, stabbed. Not once, twice, but 10 times over, and I am done. I'm tired. So, yes, very much like the last reading, I feel, but energies don't change that fast. I was seeing some other readers, just to check, am I only getting this past person all the time? I was checking on some other readers' readings on Aries, and this past person was there as well. And this reader, I forget who this one was, but made a very intelligent observation. She said, the person who is this Emperor in reverse could be doing some kind of a blocking, because I see a lot of Aries not being able to manifest new love. Even if you guys meet somebody, it doesn't work out, or the person runs away, or cancels the date, or it'll go very well for a few days and then it kind of fizzles out. It could be something to do with their energy. Okay, yes, it takes a little time, but if person A is very resilient, it can't last for too long. So the best thing from what I feel is to concentrate on your finances, concentrate on being the best version of yourself, concentrate on your exercise, your food habits, your exercise habits, meet friends, family. Put yourself in such a high vibration that low vibration cannot dampen it. I met an astrologer once some years ago, and I was going through, this is personal story. I mean, if you're not interested, you can skip through. But I asked, this astrologer who was really, really renowned, I asked him, I said, I'm going through this very bad phase in my life. Is it all right if I don't post too much on social media right now, since you say, that people may be attacking my energy? So the astrologer laughed at me and said, in fact, you should post even more. Even if you are doing, say, 10% well, show you're doing 100% well. What happens is that A, it raises your vibration. B, the person who's trying to pull you down feels it's not working, and they finally give up. Okay, so don't get paranoid about why this is happening, what's happening. Continue to shine. The more you're going to shine, the faster this energy is going to give up or return, whatever you guys want, but it'll come to some conclusion. So what action person A will take now, I'll open later, Aries. Let's go on to the other side and see what person B is doing. Person B has the Death card in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Death card. They don't want this connection to end, it seems, even now. Yes, this person is feeling very unloved now. King of Cups in reverse. They don't want to open up either. Maybe they have difficulty showing their emotions or whatever. But whatever said and done, person B does not want this connection to end. In fact, they want to rebuild. They want to rebuild this connection once again. So Magician in reverse, Spirit. Magician in reverse. What's this Magician in reverse? They are realizing that none of their manifestations have come true now. They have been watching, Aries. Like I said, if you are posting on social media or if you're shining bright, people do look, and not everybody will say, wow, Aries, well done. Some people get jealous, some people stalk you. So this person has also been watching. They've been watching, and they've realized that none of their manifestations to rebuild have happened till now. Maybe they've been doing all this, about I'm not going to let this connection end, and I'm going to make it come back, and I'm not going to whatever. So, but now they've realized I've been manifesting, but I've been watching Aries. Aries is shining bright, so nothing is really, happening here. Now they're realizing what they've done. Now they're realizing all their toxic, behavior. Now this person wants to, maybe they've changed or they want to change. They are kind of sobering up now, and they want to be now seen as somebody Who's responsible? They are realizing the reason why person A has walked away from their life. Okay? Because none of their manifestations in their life are fructifying, whether it's maybe for their own stuff, for their own work, business, their own third parties or whatever, or to get person A back, nothing is working. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Things ended. The world with the Three of Pentacles. Things have ended for person B in a big way. This could be with not just third parties, this could be also relating to their work, their finances, their stability, their home. There's something could have gone wrong in their house. Okay, so a lot of things have come to an end or completed in their life as well. And yes, nothing is moving. Chariot in reverse. Chariot in reverse, Aries, with the Four of Wands in reverse. So things are not happening for person B. They are not being able to manifest anything positive in their life. Not just to get person A back. So Three of Pentacles, Spirit. What happened in the recent past? They didn't, yes, this person didn't make a choice. They were supposed to make a choice regarding something. This could be making some wise decisions or choices regarding maybe third parties, maybe in work or whatever. Maybe this is a group of friends, I don't know what. But they were meant to make a choice which they didn't. And now person B is feeling very, very ashamed of their own actions. Now they're realizing why my manifestations are not coming true. They're realizing that I didn't use my powers in the correct way. I used my power to become this, arrogant. So now how does person B see this connection, Spirit? Two of Wands. Why do they see this connection or person A in the Two of Wands energy, Spirit? One more. One more. They feel kind of paralyzed at the moment. It's almost like, they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do right now because they feel, I don't know how to take action. I'm standing here trying to think of a way. Which direction should I go to? Should I go towards this person or should I release them? If I go towards them, what if they don't want me? I've already rejected them once maybe, or things have not worked out, or maybe this person is angry with me now. So if I do take action towards them, what if they've already released me? What if they don't want me back? So this person is kind of paralyzed in fear right now. Page of Wands in reverse. Page of Wands in reverse. Yes, Magician in reverse again. They feel, what's the point? What's the point? I started kind of feeling sorry for this person, Aries. They feel, what's the point of me even sending a message? Because I won't be able to manifest them back now. Feeling, they've already left me out in the cold. They've already abandoned me. They've done exactly what I did to them. So they are feeling, what's the point? What's the point even sending a message when they, heart of hearts, they are so disappointed because nothing they do is working out. So they feel, even this is not going to work out. I'm not going to be able to manifest, even a positive message back now. So what's this Seven of Cups in reverse? They feel person A has already made their choice. They've already made their choice to put this connection to a halt maybe, and they don't see them as a potential Ten of Pentacles now. But whatever said and done, Aries, this person is still hung up on you, or person A. Person B is still hung up on person B. Person B is still hung up on person A. They are still not closing this chapter. Still unwilling to accept that it's over. So let's see now. Person A, will you take any action? Seven of Swords in reverse. Person A says, hey, why should I take action? I don't want it to backfire on me again. Each time I've returned, they've only hurt me. They've never brought me justice. They've never done the right thing. Now if I move towards them, what if they do the same thing again? It'll again backfire on me. So I don't think person A is going to be taking any action. So person B, as scared as you are now, will you take any action? Five of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? One more. Like I said, I'm kind of feeling bad for this person now. They do desperately want to come out of this place of feeling neglected, abandoned. They want to not be in this position of regret and sorrow now, Aries, for the rest of their life. But they are realizing now they can't sleep at night. Insomnia, big time. They can't sleep at night. They are bored, they are lonely, they are sad, they are alone. None of their other cups are, exciting enough. This person is frozen in fear. They're frozen in fear. They feel everything is upside down. There is no balance here in this connection. But Spirit, somebody will have to take action. Otherwise, how's it going to work? Person A, I'm going to give you one card, and person B, I'm going to give you one more try. Person A, will you take any action? Person A, will you take any action towards person B? Nope. Person A says no. I don't want to put in any more work. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Person B, will you take any action? I almost feel like a judge or a lawyer or something with two parties in front of me. Person B, will you take any action? Ooh. They want to so badly, my God. They see person A as their empress. This is like their fantasy. This is what they want. They want that growth, abundance, fertility with person A. And yet, they feel, oh, what if I get rejected? What if I get rejected again? What if I do go towards them and I'm not good enough? I'm just a knight and they are the empress. What if I'm not good enough and I get rejected? So, I think both of you are still silent. Let me take a card for this as well. So, Spirit, what's this High Priestess now? Why was this the overall energy? So, there's a lot of peace, if nothing else. As my angels, I think this was a joke. My angels are saying there's going to be peace. No talkie. Okay, so High Priestess, why is the High Priestess here? Spirit is saying you guys have to listen to your intuition. There will be no love offer. There will be no reconciliation till you guys can talk it out. Somebody has to talk. And I think it has to be person B, because person A is already on a very high vibration. The person on high vibration areas should never come down to somebody else's level. This person has to raise their vibration up. So person B needs a little more time. Okay? Till they get the clarity about what they've done wrong and how they can fix it, or if whatever. Then if person A is still available, then there may be a chance. But otherwise, I think right now there is still silence. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aries. Hope it worked for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.